ইউএসবি দিয়ে আসলো যখন এবার কি এই নেট আসতে পারে?
সব হয়ে যাবে। আপডেট করে দে উইন্ডোজ, অটোমেটিক চলে আসবে। মানে উইন্ডোজ আপডেট কি করে বলে, এখন তো নতুন সব কিছু, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
সেন্ড করে একবার দেখো।
হুম,
সেন্ড করে দিয়ে একবার দেখো।
রিসেট
সেন্ড করে দিয়ে একবার দেখো।
কর। Tanvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, how you are feeling about the class?
Sir, it's great. I'm really enjoying.
You are not audible.
Hello?
Not audible.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that I'm enjoying the class. It's really great. And it is like I didn't even know we could do so much in Excel.
Come close to the mic so that we can hear you.
So just a second. So wait a second, please.
Hmm.
So I will use my tablet for this. Just a second.
You use laptop because you have to practice in Excel. Don't use tablet. Tablet you can. It is difficult to do some operations.
Yeah, what I'll do is that my in my tablet the class would be there,
Yes.
and then uh, mm,
Yes.
and then I will practice in Excel, but the class will be on my iPad. So like I'll use both of the devices.
But you should simultaneously practice, I think.
And I will simultaneously practice. You will, when you will explain, and I will, when like both the iPad and laptop, I will use them simultaneously.
Okay.
You
I got
will,
it. Yes, I got it. Yeah.
like I will watch the Zoom class on my iPad, and I'll be working on my laptop both simultaneously.
Very good. Very good. Do you read any storybook?
Um, I don't really read a storybook, but I read novels, and I read motivational books, but I don't read storybooks like childish storybooks.
Okay. Recently, which book you have read which has some impact on you, which you liked best? Best.
So I am currently reading The Power of Positive Mental Attitude. So I've just started reading.
Okay. Good.
That is the book by
Good.
two great
Do you read any science or mathematics books other than textbook?
uh, No, sir, like the theory and all, I use a different book which my father has given me, but I don't really use any story. I don't read any story book related to mathematics or science. I will start reading APJ Abdul Kalam's biography, but I haven't started yet.
Okay. Abdul Kalam bag. It is when you are interested to learn mathematics. No, It is
Yeah.
better. There are lot of good books on mathematics and nowadays, and that I think you should start reading on those books. You will learn more. And have you ever encountered that ruler and compass construction?
Yeah, yeah. I have been learning this ever since I was in fifth grade. I know I pretty where I'm able to draw a lot of shapes with compass and all.
Very good. And when we use this compass and ruler, what is first thing you have to get a definition? You know,
So what I didn't understand your question.
huh?
I didn't understand your question.
Huh? Means what you have to define first. You have to start somewhere, no? While you start that with, ruler and compass construction, then why we do that, and what is the origin of that?
So we do that because it is really difficult to draw shapes with logic only. So it is better to draw it with rulers and compass, and we can get a proper figure with rulers and compass. It's really difficult to draw like just a pencil and eraser. So that is why we learn how to draw with compass and all, and we can even draw a 90-degree angle and all with a compass. So because it is really difficult to make 90-degree without a protractor with a free hand, so that is why we learn it.
Why you do that? Actually, that is the basic question. There are a lot of instruments are there nowadays, but why we do that pencil and compass?
Hmm.
What is the importance on that, and why we restrict on that?
uh,
Have you thought of any time about this?
no sir, no, not at all. So we restrict ourselves to rulers and compass because it's efficient, and it is better to do it better to do than freehand, like making rough diagrams.
When this ruler and compass construction started?
uh, when the need of just say when the need of shapes was like when shapes we needed to draw shapes of perfect angles and sides, so that is why that is when we started using rulers and compass.
Ah, yes. Actually, you see that it is the when you do that things, no, that
Yeah,
means you are exploring the evolution of mathematics. In
yeah, yeah.
earlier days, for geometric means, they are for drawing a straight line. They used to tie a thread in two points, and they used to draw a line along that thread. Is not it?
Oh, oh,
So
wow,
it,
okay.
it was there, and for drawing a circle, there was they used to pin one say point at as center, and other end they used to move, and they used to get circle.
Oh, okay, so that is from where
That
it
is the oldest
compass.
method of geometrical construction,
Oh, I didn't know.
and with that they used to do everything in
Wow,
geometry.
wow.
And then we got that ruler and the circle, and means ruler and compass.
Yeah,
So
okay.
they restrict that you have to do all those geometrical construction with a ruler and compass. Then only you are a geometrician, is not it?
Yeah.
And for that, what is required? You have to define first what is a straight line
Mm,
and what
straight
is.
line. Straight line is a line which is formed by joining two lines on a coordinate, which is straight.
Your voice is not audible. You can put on your video also so that we can see. 1 minute, I will take a phone.
So I am saying that a straight line is a line which is formed by connecting two points on a coordinate system
Okay.
and then extending it to extending both the sides, and then a line is formed, and line segment is formed when two dots are connected.
Yes, but in deeper thought, when you think of interested, when you thought of doing all those things, no, then
Yeah.
you will face a lot of problem in definition of a straight line itself. For defining a circle is very easy, that it should be equal distance. But when you think of that points in between 2 points, then how you can guarantee that these points in between 2 points will fall in a straight line? And this is forming a straight line that there can be lot of lines can be drawn in through 2 points, is not it?
Yeah.
Which is the straight line.
Mhm.
So this is not the right definition of a straight line. But in this 9th class and all those things we learn about that. But later phase we have to establish a more concrete definition of a straight line. Most difficult. There is a on
Yeah.
a one research theory is there how to draw a straight line. Professor Kempe, you can see that how to draw a straight line, and it has gone to the concept of kinematics.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. And all these things
so
are important.
and you have to when you study this mathematics, no, you have to study in that depth so that you can correlate, and everything will. So, welcome back, Mandar.
Sir, hello.
Hello. Mandar, have you heard about this pencil and compass construction?
No, sir.
Okay. And now when we are doing learning lot of mathematics, no, you also search that what is that pencil and the compass construction and why we do that, and how we can do that, all those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mandar, you are in sixth grade right now, right?
Yes.
So aren't there construction? The chapter construction is not there in your book. I remember I did construction. I am not so sure, but it is there in seventh grade.
I
Janvi,
seventh.
Yeah,
I got.
Janvi, actually, he is not going to school. He is
yeah,
starting up.
yeah. He's homeschooling, right?
So,
Yeah.
Yeah, but I do have a sixth standard book. But in that book there is no chapter of construction.
So maybe it could be in seventh grade book. I'm not so sure, but it's maybe in sixth or seventh. The NCRT book is in NCRT. Construction chapter is there in NCRT either in sixth or seventh grade. Starts with, I think.
Yeah, I got the books. Now I'll check.
Okay.
so now I'll be going to a screen share, and I'll be drawing that cube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Then you see, I have also taken help of similar to Mandar. I have taken a cube and from the internet, and there is 8 corner points. You see, there are 8 corner points, and a
Yes.
cube has edges. How many edges? This is four. This side 4 edge, and then this side 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, something like that, 11 or 12 edges, is not it?
I think so. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12.
12 edges. And how many faces?
6.
6 faces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So any 3D object having almost this sort of properties, and we call it as a three-dimensional object. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will be drawing a unit cube in first quadrant. Okay.
Okay.
And Mandar, when you have drawn these points and connected, how many total points you connected? Can you remember? How many
Uh,
points are there? First, you tell me how many points are there in this cube.
so the corners are like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
8 corners. But when you plotted that, how many points are there in your cube? Excel.
Yeah, because I need to retrace my step, retrace to draw another point and all now. So I think I got around 3 to 19. What's that? 19 minus 3. That's around I think 16 points.
16, 17 points, I think. Okay. So some edges we have to repeat. If we want to complete all the points, then connect all the points, we have to repeat some edges. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you can think of there is a pattern also. Pattern in the sense, here if it let us put it in at the center, means the center of this cube at the origin, that will be fine. Then we can able to discuss it. Then this and it is one unit each side. So first point, this point, what will be its coordinate?
We can keep it 1, 1 or 0 0.2, 0 0.2. We'll keep it.
Also 0, 0 origin.
Yeah, we can keep like that. Na? But with that, I don't think we can see the lines which like touch the edges. Can we? I don't know.
Yeah, it will become a bit confusing.
Just a minute, I'll translate my matrix and see.
Now you see this, there is a pattern in the sense, if I take that right side is right to left is x-axis, then all the blue colored faces, all the x is 1 1 1, all x's will be 1 1 1, and this left side, that will be opposite, -1 -1 -1.
Yeah,
And
so the ones in the same plane horizontally, they will be in the same x, and the points which are in the same plane vertically, they will be in the y plane. Yeah.
yes. So let us have these 8 points. Let us first draw that 8 point. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first point is, let us take it as a -1. And h will be always 1. H will not change. So this is left corner. But same opposite corner will be 1. Y is equal to -1, and Z is equal to also -1. Z means towards me.
Which one? The one where blue and yellow meet?
Then when we move at top, so there will be 17 points. So I'm taking this from my presentation. Let me check if it is there in my presentation.
Sir,
Huh?
so then if we are doing the same thing, then what's the difference Between my method and that method, sir.
No, your method, my method is means same. Only you have taken the points values directly. I am taking the actual size, actual data. Otherwise, it will become like your data. When we plot it, no, it will be similar to your data.
Okay.
But I am doing a method through which will be this is the cube. Okay. Just 1 minute, huh? I am finding the my presentation.
742 793.
So I have drawn some cube, not cube, a cuboid with this data, and I am taking this data to for our purpose.
Okay.
These are all x values. You can also I am telling you how to process all these things and what is the effect. You can type in your laptop.
Okay.
So this is a cuboid of length 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit.
ইয়ে তো পশ্চিম বর্ধমান করা হয়েছে দিদি ভাইয়ের ওইটা এসএসএফ বলে দিল ওখানে কোনো না পশ্চিম বর্ধমান
Now you see that here it is x and y. If I plot that x and y, what will get? We'll get a square.
ফার্স্ট যেটা ইয়ে হয়েছে এই ডেটটা দেয়নি না সেই ডেটটাই দিয়েছে না ডেট অফ ইস্যু
This is a square,
18 সালে
Yes,
is
sir.
not it?
Sir, I didn't understand properly.
Have you plotted these points?
No, sir, there are so many I wasn't able
You
to.
finish these points. You see, this is the first point is 001.
এটা 18 সালে করা এই যে
This is 001
Yeah,
first
yeah.
point, then 201, 231, 031. So you first type this all x values like that, so that we will get a similar cuboid. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you keep your screen as so we can copy?
sir,
Yes.
We are unable to see that.
sir, can you please scroll upwards so that we would be able to see all the values.
Hello.
You can see this data x, y, z.
Yeah, sir, just a second, please wait.
1 minute.
Sir, please don't scroll down.
Hmm?
Sir, wait a second, please.
They are just copying, sir. 1 minute.
So can you scroll a bit up?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
just this much.
I'm making it a smaller size. Let me make it smaller so that you can see all the data.
Yeah, I'm facing difficulty.
1 minute.
So I think these are all the data. So this is point one.
Yeah.
So 17 points.
Let's see, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1.
এটা নিয়ে যাও।
2
আমাকে
3
দেবে না?
0 0 1. Just a second, sir. So how many values are there? 17, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Raise hand when finished.
Sir, I'm done.
Done?
Done.
System.
Very good. So now this is our corner point. Now I am going back to my video. So can you see me now? Can you see me?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So how we see our object? Just I am trying to explain how we see our objects. Okay. Suppose this is a cube, is not it?
Yeah.
If I see it parallelly to its face, what I will see?
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. So when I see parallelly to this, what will happen? I will not understand what is the shape, actual shape. It can be a pyramid-like thing, or it may be a cuboid or anything, is not it? From one
Yes.
face,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
cannot understand how this 3D object will be. So for that, what we will be doing? If we
We will
yes, what you tell, Mandar, what you told you tell?
sir, we will rotate.
Very good. So rotation now we know, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Now we
Yeah.
know rotation. So we'll rotate it a little bit. So how many faces we will see now? If I
Two.
rotate like that?
2, 3,
So
3, 3.
no,
It depends on. Yeah, it
faces we
will
will
see
see
2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. So in one rotation, we will see only two faces, but still we are not sure how we will be backside.
So now we will rotate along another axis.
Very good, very good. The correct answer, classical answer. Okay, I am very happy about your answers. Okay, so now I will rotate in another axis. Now you can see that I can see the three faces now, and we can understand that this is a cubic like thing. Still, we are not very clear, but at a time we cannot see more than three faces.
Yeah.
Okay, so this type of visualization is called axionometric projection, okay, or it is a part of any parallel projection. So that first day I have shown that this, when it is tilted, then its shapes get distorted, sort of thing, no? So that I am doing mathematically now. So same technique I will be applying in our mathematical cube. Already we have got the data, but now that data, if I plot, I will see only one face. Now I have to rotate
Yeah.
it x-axis, then I have to rotate it y-axis. Then I can see the three faces, isn't it? So
Yeah,
how
yeah.
I will do that? We know is the rotation matrix, so we will apply rotation matrix. But our rotation matrix, what we have applied earlier, was for 2D. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so here it is for 3D. So what we will be doing, we have to play a trick for that. But formula is same, sin square theta plus cos square theta.
Okay.
I am going back to my presentation.
Okay, sir.
Now this is our data, and we'll this is our data, okay, and we'll
Yeah, yeah.
remove all these things, and so now first thing what I have told you, I told that we have to rotate it. So what will happen when 3D any rotation? What will be the tricks? 3D means x, y, z three direction, x, y, and z three direction. No, so
Yeah.
when we put this, suppose this is our box. When we rotate it about, suppose x axis, so you can see that here y and z rotates and x remains constant.
So
I'm
just
showing this here. You can see this is from origin to this face. This distance will remain same. I'll go for full screen, and I'll now you can see if I rotate it through x-axis, the x values are not changing. All the points, the length of the x values from origin of this face remain same. And
yeah,
for
yeah,
the
yeah.
same sake, all the points of x distance will remain same. Then when we rotate it, you can see like that. If I rotate, then suppose it is y direction, so distance from y direction remains same.
Yeah.
Any question, any doubt, you can tell. And this is doing I am physically, then I will do same thing with mathematically also. Any
Okay.
any question, Janvi?
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you please repeat? I was stuck somewhere. Can you please repeat?
Okay, let me see in mathematically how it
Okay. Yeah,
happened,
yeah, yeah.
and
Now.
then we will again go for discussion.
Okay.
Just a minute. My laptop.
Yes, yes. You take your time. So first thing is that we require to rotate x-axis. So when we rotate through x-axis, the x values will remain same. That means this x value will not change. That is first
Yes.
thing. And x angle, tx angle of rotation through x, let us have 0.2, 0.3 radian. So here what we'll do, this x and z will change. X and z will change. This is the thing. So formula, now we have formula is equal to, and we will rotate it anti-clockwise. So that formula, you know already, same formula will be used.
Okay.
Cos minus sine G4.
Sin G4 here for me, and it will
Then
be different. It will be cos,
cos G4.
and this is
দরকার কি আছে অনুরাগ খুব দরকারি কর না এখন তো আসছে না আমাদের অনুরাগ লিস্টে নাই তা কি করবি
this is the matrix. Rest will not change. Rest the values will be all 0 0 0. So if I put say same,
এটাই জানি
So what is that 0.3 is, what is that? Sorry, I missed earlier lecture. What is that point?
Values are different.
Yeah, because
this effect will be y and z. This is y and z axis will points will rotate, but x distance will remain same. X values will remain same. So this is, we can say tx. Similarly, we will rotate in y direction also.
Yes, sir. I have a issue.
You tell me.
So my values are different than the ones that you like it's
You take
displayed on the
3
screen.
like that, and then you should get
Yeah, these values are different.
format. It is, I think, if you format it properly, this will be the
Yeah. These are the values.
yeah, this is formatting.
Yeah, it approximates.
Yes.
To the
Now
approximate.
this is the actual values. Now what will happen, we have to rotate it another axis, y axis. So how we will do that? Ty, and ty let it be 0.2 radian or 0.4 radian. So here first thing is there, this let us take a identity matrix first, then the things becomes very clear. Identity matrix means 1 0 0 0,
Yeah, okay.
then 0 1 0 0, and in later phase what will happen, no, as I am doing, it will be picturized in your mind. So whenever some problem you will face, this automatically will appear in your mind that I have to do this. Okay.
So how this 0.4 came? What is this 0.4?
I will explain. Now, so this is for rotation of y-axis, and what I will do here, you see this one value is there, no?
Yeah.
This will not change. Why? When we rotate against that y-axis, then x and z value will change. Y value will not change. So y will be remain one same values, and
Yeah.
only x and y change. So our formula will be is equal to cos point. This will be the angle, okay, and then this will not change. So here it will be minus sine. So a simple trick we are playing. Formula is same, but we are putting it in some different way.
Okay.
And then this one will be sine. So you can say that this is the formula for that. This is cos, this is sine, this is cos, this is sine. So and it is one is here in center. So one y value will not change, and x and z value will change. Is not it?
Yeah, yeah.
And then actually what we have done, we have done, you remember, we require not for putting this data in 2D plane or 2D canvas, we don't require z. So z will project. How we can project it? So we will make the z values 0, but that I will be doing it z value 0 by mathematically, not manually. Yeah, you have done it manually, so you have not considered that z at all. Here I am considering z. I am converting this z into x and y somehow, and then we are drawing. Clear? So let us see the effect. For next one matrix we require for z projection, where all the z values will become 0. Why this z value will become 0? Just I want to explain again. You see, this is the box, and suppose you take a photograph of this. It is having 3 phases. But
Yeah, yeah.
when you take a photograph, what will happen? Though it is have a 3 phase, it will all collapse in a one plane, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Same thing I am doing. Same thing I am doing mathematically. And how easy all these things. It looks very complicated, but it is very easy to achieve. We can easily do that. How we
Yeah.
can do that? Only thing we have to do that, we will again take an identity matrix. Oh, again 10 minutes. So today we will be doing this, and after that, other transformation you have to practice and you have to tell me. And tomorrow
Okay, sir.
again we will meet.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
It is good that you are getting time for thinking further, or you can do something. You can keep an identity matrix and then use it, copy it, and use it repeatedly. Now,
Sir?
how can we project? This is our projection matrix. Can
Yeah.
you tell how we can project it?
Uh,
Sir, now first we will have cos at
No, there is no rotation. We are
okay.
projecting this, all the z value we want to make 0. So simply this one is there, no? We make it 0. That's all. So you see that this one means x value will not change. This y value will not change, but z value will become 0, all z values. And then these 3 matrix we have to multiply together.
Okay.
How will do that? Again, I told you that input and output matrix should be same.
yeah.
Yes.
So our cell, we should take the cells like that. Our point, this is the starting point for us. So 4 by 4 and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the okay. Now this is our output cells, and then we will be putting is equal to sign, and then MMULT, and how many matrix are there? 4 matrix. So 3 matrix multiplication, and simultaneously we will do.
है?
You can see that I have used 3 MMULT.
Oh,
In three times we multiply array 1 to array 2, then array 1 to array 3, then array 1 to 3 to array 4.
Okay.
Very simple, and just you have to understand the pattern. So it is our array 1, this is array 1, then X rotation, this is X rotation, then bracket closed and then comma. Okay, this you have to remember. Then this is Y rotation, then bracket close, comma, then Z projection. These 3 operation I am doing together, and then same control shift enter, and now we have got the values. You can see that we have XY values, but we don't have Z values.
so just a second, please. Sir, can you please show that formula again of MMULT?
Yes, I'll show you.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah.
Let me plot this. This is my data, and then again I will go for this insert and chart. You see that I am using all the chart, single chart. So this is a my cube mathematically we have created. There is some problem with this one point. I think we have done some mistake, and here all this X and Y value, I think this value has changed. Something happened, but it is no worry for that. And now I am putting my formula here, not this formula.
Yeah.
This is the formula. You see,
Oh, just a second, sir.
MMULT, then array 1, array 2, bracket close, comma, then array 3, bracket close, comma, then array
Okay.
4, and then control shift enter together. All these 4 matrix multiplication. Now you can realize that manually it is simply impossible to do. And that's why we face problem in learning mathematics. But when we take the help of technology, we can do lot of things, and we can learn all this mathematics. And technically there is nothing simple thing. We are taking array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4, and we are multiplying together, and we are getting our cube. And in this, what I am doing, I am taking a cube, and then I am rotating it in X direction, then rotating a little bit in Y direction, and then we are projecting it in Z direction. The 3 operations are there, and 3 matrix multiplication. With that, we can draw this cube. So this is 3D object, and similar transformation
sir?
you can, yes.
So, when I'm doing that MMULT, it is saying that you have entered too many arguments for this function.
No, tell me now. Your voice is not audible to us.
Oh, just a second, sir.
Yes.
I have done a mistake.
You take your own time. We will not hurriedly do anything, but we will learn solid way. Once we learn it, we should able to do it. So this I have shown how we can apply this 3D transformation and
Yeah.
create 3D object. And now you have to apply all transformation in this 3D object.
Yeah.
Now, Mandar, yeah, you will realize now I have not taken any help of anything. I have everything I have done mathematically. So in this way, I can plot any object. If I have this corner point coordinates, I can connect all those points and I can create the 3D. And this is the first year mechanical engineering drawing and design. This is being taught in BTech first year. Okay,
Okay.
so now you are learning, and they never understand how it is done. It is geometrically what we have done. We cannot learn this method in matrix or Excel. So we don't know that in between all these things happens. So mathematically it happens. You see, this is the cube. Now, what will happen if you go on changing this? No, you can suppose you want to see from different angle. So what you will do, you just change this angle. Suppose you what you will here it will be 0.1. So you see this your if you point 0, so you are not putting that 0. So you can see that two phase. And if you put at 0 here also, this is the x-axis triangle, then it will be a,
Like we can only see a rectangle because it will be like perfectly plain.
it is if we make it 0, then it is 0. You see it will give.
Sir,
And if
sir,
you
what
see
is
this
this
point, I
point
think
here?
this point is not in our, this is the this point. Actually we should plot this point. Yeah, now it is cube. So this is our real point. Now if we change it is suppose 0.1. So you will see two phase, and
Yeah.
if you say y values here, you will get three phase.
Yeah, just a minute, sir. I haven't completed doing this.
So in this way you can show the six phase also.